Hi, I'm Dr. Sassy. Let's talk about a treatment that helps people take back control of their bladder and bowel when things aren't working like they should. It's called sacral neuromodulation. Imagine your bladder or bowels as a team that needs directions from the brain to work properly. Sometimes the messages get scrambled, and that's when you might have leaks, constant urges, or trouble going at all. What this treatment does is gently send helpful signals to the nerve in your lower back, fixing the messages so your body listens the right way. Sacral neuromodulation isn't a pill, and you won't get common side effects like dry mouth or feeling out of it. Instead, a small device is placed under the skin with a tiny wire that talks to your nerves. You won't usually feel it working, but most people notice they stop leaking or rushing to the bathroom all the time. There's even a short test before getting the full device to make sure it works for you. It helps people with overactive bladders, leaking, constipation, and more. Many have said it changed their lives, letting them sleep better, go out more, and feel confident again.